Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So my today's video, I'm sure you've seen the title and you're shocked like, what? Really? Ew, and all that. Yes guys, so today I'm going to tell you how your morning, like your saliva, can help you get rid of pimples and acne scars. So let's start. So my grandparents used to tell me this, okay, and I was like, no, ye nahi hota hoga. And then I heard somebody else also tell me, like one of my aunts, she was like, you should try this. And I was like, okay, let me just do my research. I googled everything, I did a lot of things. So then I thought, okay, if this actually works, let's just try it, and then I'll see if it works, and I can tell you guys also if it did. So this is like 2 weeks back when I started this. I just woke up in the morning. The first thing that you need to do is take your saliva, apply it on your acne scars and or acne, and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour if you have time. And then all you need to do is just rinse it. So just wake up, apply your saliva, and do your morning routine, whatever you want to, like brush your teeth or your skincare. I mean, not skincare, you brush your teeth, or you can just go drink water, have your green tea, whatever. So do that, and then you can rinse it off. So I did that. First 3 days I saw my acne. I'll show you somewhere here, you can see. Okay, now itna sa ho gaya, but it was huge, it was big. So my acne, in 3 days it had dried up, and in like 4 to 5 days I saw it like completely, only this much is left. Okay, so then I saw it and I thought ki chalo theek hai, ye kam to ho raha hai, okay. And then I saw results. Then suddenly my skin was feeling good. There were not like really big marks or anything on my skin, no acne. So I was like, this is amazing, guys. I've done so many DIYs, I've applied so many creams and so many chemicals and all. This is just your own saliva, and you just need to apply it on your skin. So this was really cool. So it works, it definitely works. And why it works, so I'm going to tell you why it works. Because saliva has healing properties. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in it. So as you know, it's good for your mouth, so that you don't get any bacteria when you're like eating or just breathing. And then also it's good for your digestion, it's good for your teeth, it's good, really good. So it has so many properties. So if you apply it on your skin, of course it's going to heal. So it's going to get rid of your acne and acne scars. So I want you guys to try it and let me know in the comment section below if it works. It worked for me. And if you have any other nuskes like that, some weird ones, of course please tell me, because I would love to try it. And I wish I knew this before. So anyway, try it, let me know in the comment section below. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And if you have any other doubts or anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Foxy. This is Naima. Today I'm going to talk about something very different, that is home remedies. Something that I've been sticking to and using here and there, as in when I need it and as in when it's required. Just 3 things that I want to share with you, which is something that I have actually known and used for a while, and it's something that I'd really like to share with you. So the first thing is acne. Acne is something that all of us have, and there's always this pimple that erupts, especially when you don't want it. So the best way to get rid of a pimple quickly and easily overnight is to apply toothpaste on it. So what I usually do is I take a little bit of toothpaste and apply it onto my pimple, and overnight, because you need to allow the toothpaste to dry it out. Now the thing is, it depends on how bad your pimple is. This is not something that may completely go away overnight, but definitely I think applying it for over 2-3 days definitely dries it out, and then your pimple is gone. One thing that you should avoid doing is trying to scratch out your pimple, because that leaves behind marks. So if you apply toothpaste onto your pimple, let it just dry. I know it may burn a little and feel a little tingly, but usually this is something that you do before you go to bed, just onto your pimple and just let it dry out. Do it for about 2-3 days, 2-3 times a day, and I think you should be good. The second thing that I actually love doing is exfoliating my lips, especially when they're completely dried out or when I'm traveling to like a cold place, is exfoliating with sugar and honey. This is a great home remedy if you're someone who loves home remedies, and also of course lip balm always does the trick, but sometimes you want to exfoliate and just clean out everything. So mixing sugar and honey in an equal proportion is a great exfoliator for lips. My third favorite again is olive oil. Olive oil is something that I do use sometimes in my hair, actually just onto the ends. Just kind of take a little bit of olive oil and just apply it onto my ends, like massage my ends, because this is like a natural conditioner. Ideally, this is something that I would do before I shampoo my hair. So it's like put on the olive oil onto the ends, especially if you have dry ends, and I have very dry ends because of all the color, and this is best, it works best for colored hair. So applying olive oil onto your ends, letting it be for a couple of hours or so, and then washing your hair just with shampoo, and you don't really need to use conditioner because the olive oil has done the natural conditioning. Also, one home remedy natural tip that I'd give you is the lesser you wash your hair, the better it is. Our hair creates sebum, which is a natural conditioner that conditions your hair naturally. And I have noticed the difference in my hair is I'm not someone who washes my hair every alternate day, but maybe once in 4-5 days. Also, you need to see depending on what kind of scalp you have and how easily your hair dries out. I don't have an oily scalp, so my hair doesn't really dry out. But I think that the sebum in my hair naturally conditions it, and I think olive oil. So I stick to these two as my home remedies, and they absolutely work for me. I want you to try these at home because home remedies are supposed to be tried at home. Do let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see and any more home remedies that I could come up with for you. Do follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha love.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So it's summer season now, and then we like wearing all colorful, bright colors, and you don't want to wear something which is really dark. And neon and all these colorful eyeshadows are like so in trend. So I thought I'll show you something really simple and like a nice bright eyeliner. So let's start. So guys, the first thing that you will need in this video is of course a white eyeliner or a kajal pencil. This is by Coloricon, and I'm just gonna take this eyeliner and make a nice thick winged liner. You don't need to be perfect or anything because you will put some eyeshadow on top of this. So a nice thick winged liner is what we need. If you don't want to do a wing liner, you can do this, but I like to be a little extra, so see, a nice wing liner. So we'll do the same thing on this eye as well. So this is the color that I'll be using, which is green. And you will need a brush like this. Let me show you. So this is a nice angled brush which you can use for your eyebrows. So this is really simple, okay? So just dust off the excess and then just press little. As you can see, this is green and this is white. Actually, this is also looking very good with this t-shirt, but I wanted to show you some nice fun colors. We could also like put some blue if you want. You want to try it? Let's do it. I'm just going to remove the extra color and then I'll take blue. Do blue here maybe. Can you guys see that? I'll come close here. So guys, this is what it looks like. I added a bit of blue here. So the green will look a little darker here, and then you have the light green. I think it looks really cool. So let's do the same thing on this side. So first is of course green. I will take green, apply it here. So this angle brush makes it really easy and simple. So I put green. Now I'll just add some blue on the inner corners. So I've done this. Now I'll take the same brush and put it here under the eyes as well. Just a little bit of color. And then I'm going to put my mascara now. So let's move on to the mascara. So the mascara that I'll be using today is by Benefit. It's their Bad Girl Bang. I really like this mascara. You can also use like falsies, but I don't think we need that right now. So I'm done with applying my mascara. You can put some more color under your eyelids here if you want more dramatic looks. So I'm going to just add a little bit of color. That's it. So guys, I hope you guys liked my look. It was really fun. I love playing with colors. So do try this, let me know in the comment section below. And please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And I'll see you soon guys. Thank you so much. Bye.